What if you could launch your very own health and wellness empire without writing a single word, without hiring expensive designers, without being a nutritionist, trainer, or tech expert? What if you could create your own wellness website, recipe books, diet plans, fitness guides, video scripts, marketing content, and more, all in seconds, using AI? Today, that future becomes your reality. The global health and wellness industry is exploding. From diet plans and meal prep books, to fitness challenges and mindfulness journals, to recipe ebooks and holistic wellness guides. People are buying more wellness content than ever before. Yet most creators and business owners struggle because they can't create content fast enough. They don't know how to design a good-looking website. They waste time writing blogs, captions, and emails. They don't have money to outsource. They feel overwhelmed about where to start. But what if all these problems vanished with one AI-powered platform? Introducing WellnessMateAI, the world's first all-in-one AI platform that builds your entire health and wellness business for you. Where other tools generate a few recipes or simple diet plans, WellnessMateAI creates everything you need to launch, grow, and scale a full wellness brand. This isn't just another AI content tool. This is your personal wellness business partner. What WellnessMateAI can do: 1. Build complete wellness websites instantly. Just enter a niche keyword, click once, and WellnessMateAI creates a full, professional health and wellness website for you. Loaded with expert-level content, images, pages, and monetization options. No coding, no tech skills, just plug and profit. 2. Generate diet plans. Custom keto plans, fat loss plans, high-protein plans, diabetic-friendly diets. You name it, WellnessMateAI builds it. Scientifically structured, easy to follow, ready to sell or publish anywhere. 3. Create recipe ebooks and meal plans. 500-calorie meals, detox juices, muscle-building recipes, kid-friendly meals, vegetarian, vegan, gluten-free. WellnessMateAI generates stunning, ready-to-sell recipe books instantly. 4. Produce high-quality wellness ebooks. Want to become an author overnight? WellnessMateAI writes complete wellness ebooks for you. Formatted, beautifully structured, and ready for Amazon, Gumroad, Etsy, or your store. 5. Prompt generator with ready-made templates. No more struggling to write prompts. Access hundreds of pre-built templates to create meal plan ideas, nutrition, workout plans, fitness, social media posts, marketing, motivational scripts, content, recipe ideas, nutrition, fully customizable prompts. 6. Write video scripts for wellness content. You can create scripts for YouTube content, fitness videos, meal prep videos, mindfulness and meditation scripts, wellness courses. Just paste into a teleprompter and record. 7. Create marketing content that actually converts. The hardest part of any business is marketing, but WellnessMateAI handles that too. It writes social media posts, ads, emails, blogs, captions, landing pages, reel scripts, funnels, promotional content. Everything you need to get traffic and sales done for you. Imagine waking up each morning with a business that's growing, even when you're sleeping. Imagine creating content in minutes that normally takes weeks. Imagine selling digital wellness products effortlessly and watching your audience grow every single day. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a big team. You don't need tech knowledge. You only need one tool: WellnessMateAI. People all over the world are turning their wellness knowledge into real income. Some start selling meal plans. Some sell wellness ebooks. Some sell recipes, challenges, or Pinterest content. Some build their own brand. And now with WellnessMateAI, you can do all of that 10 times faster, at 1% of the cost, with pro-quality content that looks like it was made by experts. Wellness digital products are the hottest selling items right now. Diet plans sell from $7 to $25. Recipe ebooks sell from $9 to $30. Wellness websites sell for $197 to $997. Monthly wellness challenges sell like crazy. Course scripts can bring recurring income. Wellness content is in demand on Fiverr and Upwork. Right now, you have a choice. You can continue struggling to write content manually, or you can join thousands of entrepreneurs using AI to create profitable wellness businesses instantly. Click the button below to get instant access to WellnessMateAI. Your website, your ebooks, your recipes, your plans, your scripts. Everything you need to build your health and wellness empire starts right now. Wellness is the future. AI is the future. And WellnessMateAI is your chance to lead the market, not follow it. Click the button now. Start building your wellness business today. Let AI do the hard work while you enjoy the results.